This is Emhape Tech with new video. Out of all the amazing flagships presented at MWC 2018, the Vivo Apex phone prototype is really a concept that pops out. #mobile magic. The reason is simple. The huge 6-inch display has just 1.8mm thin bezels on 3 sides and a 4.3mm bottom bezel. They're so thin they set a new record, making the Vivo Apex the smartphone with the biggest screen-to-body ratio. It's an impressive 98% ratio that forced Vivo to implement an unusual choice. We're talking about the Emhape pop-up front camera. Want to take a selfie? Select the 8MP front-facing camera and in just 0.8 seconds it will rise up from the top part of the Vivo Apex. The surprises don't stop here, because Vivo really wanted to impress when it comes to full view. The same giant 6-inch screen holds the world's first half-screen and display fingerprint scanning technology. It's so big that you can scan 2 fingerprints for added security. Even more, there's sound casting, Vivo's name for the technology that sends vibrations through the display. According to them, it conserves power, reduces sound leakage, and optimizes low to high-pitch sound for a better and more balanced audio experience. The Vivo Apex sports a 2160 by 1080 resolution and a dual camera setup on the back. But who can tear their eyes off the amazing screen, right? We're glad to see a daring concept like this at MWC 2018. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.